Okay bro, so today we got a Curbow51 5-string bass coming in for pro setup, change of nut, change of tuners as well. This is a Goto tuners. Other than that, change of screws, output jack also change. Together with this bridge has been sprayed black. Then after that, I'm still working on the copper shielding together with finalizing the nut itself, the nut height. Okay, there's a few things. Number one, it might need fret level. Okay, so if you hear later when I play, you might hear a bit of buzzing here and there. That are the parts that I need to fret level. So I'm just going to give you a sound check. So that alone is like maybe a few places, but I highly suggest that you flush out the whole neck, just to be sure that we cover all the fret leveling part. Okay, so yeah, I will update you. Then you see whether you want to do the fret leveling. If not, I'm just going to raise the height so it clears out the notes itself. Okay, so on the bass side, right now on the bass side is around 2.75. Then on the treble side is around 3.5. I want to bring down a bit lower. My target is for the bass side to be around 2 or 1.75. Then the other side will match up with the bass side as well. So yeah, okay, so I will add a bit of bow, by the way, just to clear the notes even more on the mid region because it's quite long. Alright, but other than that, guitar is around 70% done. I'm going to finish up on the nut and the shielding before we proceed with the fret leveling. So let me know if you want to continue with the fret leveling. Okay, see you soon. Bye.
0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
Oh, that's real good.
Okay bro, just a final update. Curbow51 bass. Okay, so new nut. You asked me to spray, I will spray. Then after that, new strings, pro setup. After that, bridge is also sprayed, matte black. Output jack swapped out, copper shielding. Together with I worked on the electronics as well. Then after that, for the 5-volt clip also swapped out to new piece. This one, the screws I changed out. The screws at the back also I will change out as well. This one I clean as much as I can. After that, together with Goto tuners. Okay, this is actually 2 set of Goto tuners, so you have spare in case in the future you need to change. Other than that, the fret leveling is okay right now. I start off with the spec. The neck has a slight forward bow just to clear the mid region a bit more. Then on the 12th fret is at 1.25. Then on the bass side is 1.5. Then after that, I'll give you a listen. Okay, so early on we have some buzzing here and some buzzing here. Right now I think it's much better. So this is the test. Okay, alright, so far so good. Okay, let's check. This is the volume. Off, on. Then after that, this one I think is the boost. On, off. There is a mid switch in the middle, so it's actually like a blend. By the way, inside here there is a black glass, I think. Dark glass, sorry. There is a dark glass electronics board inside to actually help with the sound. So yeah, I had to rewire some of the wires there. Previously when you shake it, there's a lot of sound going on and off, but right now it's okay. So yeah, okay, guitar is good to go. Let me know if you want to add on the cover. If not, the guitar is good to go. Let me know when you want to pick up. Okay, bye.